Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to delete user account on Windows 10. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Windows. Now you can see over here is account of mine. Here is one guest account which I created for my friend. Now to remove these, first of all go to Start and to this settings. And over here you'll find this many options. Now go to this account and on the left you can find this family and other users. Click on this and you can see over here is the account which I want to delete. Now just click on this and over here click on this remove. And now you can see delete account and data. Now if you want to delete this account, all the data associated with the account will also be deleted. Now after that click on this delete account and data. It will take time depending on system's speed. Now in my case you can see this account is deleted. So in this way we can delete this account. So in this way we can delete user account on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.